What a great looking 565 we've got to show you guys today. Andrew and Mason have been dreaming about this boat for years and years. Mason, Andrew's son, has looked at every single walkthrough video we've ever done at Edencraft, and they knew exactly what they wanted to put in their dream boat when it finally came time to put it together. So jump on board and let's go through a bit of the features and the options that they've put in this boat. Andrew loves his snapper fishing in Port Phillip Bay, and him and his son Mason have caught some absolute monsters over there on the eastern side of Port Phillip Bay. This boat is going to allow them to do not only their snapper fishing that they love, but getting offshore, getting into the marlin and the tuna and everything else that they want to do. This boat's really nicely set up for both. Some of the inclusions they've done is a great Simrad setup with a 1 kilowatt high wide transducer in the hull. It's a through hull. That's going to give them fantastic reading in Port Phillip Bay, and it's also going to work fantastically offshore on the marlin and the tuna and everything else. Both of these seats are sitting on our standard gas pedestal, which is unreal, gives you a bit of suspension when you're sitting down, makes it a super comfortable ride. Something Andrew customized is he put a split in his bait tank lid. He'll probably use these more for bait storage more than live bait tanks. When he's snapper fishing, he's got his full rack of snapper rods in here. You can keep your bait in here, easily accessible. Of course, once they're out of the way, we've got 2 plumbed live bait tanks. Fantastic for keeping heaps of liveys alive when you're going chasing kingies or your marlin. They're plumbed and they drain straight back out here into the engine well. A function a lot of our bait fishermen love is our hand wash. We've got an easy to use knee button here, which just comes straight out the side here. Easy to wash your hands, get that slime off your hands when you're using pilchards and stuff so you don't get it all over your nice rods. A huge congratulations to Andrew and Mason. This has been your dream boat for years and it's finally yours. So I can't wait to see you guys enjoying it.